Now to sort the data, we can sort columns of cells alphabetically and numerically. So here, to work with our sample data, we can click on this link. And since this is for view only, we can make a copy. Then you can change the file name. Okay, like sorting and filtering. Save it to the appropriate drive. Okay. In my case, I will be saving this one in my drive. Select, then make a copy. At this time, we can apply the sorting feature of Google Sheet. Now, we have to highlight the group of cells that we'd like to sort. For example, we have the type here. Okay. Now, to freeze the first row of this data, since it's too large, we have to select the first row. Then, under the View tab, or the View menu, we have to choose Freeze, then one row. Okay, so when we scroll it down, the first row has been freeze on screen. Okay, so to sort the type of item, so we have to select. Okay, so we have to select until here, then right click, again select the data that we want to sort. Then under data menu, we have to sort the sheet or sort range. So we have to sort the sheet by column B from A to Z. So this time is being sorted from camera until TV. Okay, you have also the option to sort sheet. Okay, so sort sheet from A to Z or from Z to A. Okay, or you can sort the date. Okay, data, sort the range of cells, the column D, that's from A to Z. Okay, and also the checkout by. And then for filtering the data, it is important that when you add a filter, anyone with access to your spreadsheet will see the filter too. Okay, anyone with permission to edit your spreadsheet will be able to change the filter. So, for example, we have to filter the data on customer list. First, we have to duplicate the sheet. So we will be working on this copy of customer list. Okay, so for example, we will be filtering the item type. Okay, so we have to select the range of cells, then click on the data, then create a filter. So to see the filter options, we must go to the top of the range and click filter. And this one, we have the option to filter by condition and filter by values. And of course, search. Okay, and of course, the filter by color. Now, for filter by condition, we have to choose the conditions or write our own condition here. Okay, now we have the filter by values to hide data points. Uncheck the box next to the data point and click OK. So like you have to uncheck this one, then click OK. So only the ID number with an empty item type will be displayed. Same as with here, the item description. Okay. If we want to apply a filter on the item description, just click on the range of cells. In this case, we are selecting the column C, then go to data. Okay, we can remove filter or add a new filter. Okay, click on this filter option, then go to filter by values. So for example, we need to only see the item description with 6 string Philip Bass. Then, okay. So there's only one item with the description with an ID number. Okay. So to turn the filter off, we can click on the data, then remove filter.